Hi, teacher.
Okay, today we studied Japanese. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Grammar 1. Can you read it?
I'm is are.
In Japanese grammar, you read it.
Wa des.
Yeah. And you write it like that. But pronounce wa des.
Wa des.
For example, I am our teacher. Oh, can you read again?
I am a teacher.
Okay. So I in Japanese. Can you read it?
Watashi.
Yeah, watashi. Teacher. How do you read it?
Sensee.
Sensei.
Sensei.
Okay, so one more time. I.
Watashi.
Teacher.
Sensei.
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 Good. Okay, use this grammar and the next sentence. How do you say?
Watashi.
Watashi.
Watashi wa sensei desu.
Yeah. I am a teacher. One more time.
Watashi wa sensei desu.
Yeah. Watashi wa sensei desu.
Watashi wa sensei desu.
Okay. Watashi. In Chinese character, watashi. Sensei. Chinese characters like this.
I cannot follow the Chinese character.
It's okay. One more time. So connect with grammatical feature.
The Chinese character and Japanese character are mixing together in one sentence like that. In a sentence.
In a sentence, we use a Chinese character So you have to know how to read it.
Mm.
But you never learned the Chinese character before, so I understand it.
Yeah,
So you just have to write hiragana. That's fine at this moment. One more time. I am a teacher.
Watashi.
Yeah, teacher.
Sensei.
Yeah. So I am a teacher. How do you say it?
Watashi wa sensei desu.
Okay, good. Next one. Can you read the sentence?
You are a student.
Yeah. You in Japanese,
Anata.
anata. Yeah.
Anata.
Student in Japanese,
Gakose.
gaku,
Gakko.
gakusei.
Gakose.
Actually, the you don't need to pronounce it. Just that's fine. Gakusei.
Oh. It's like silent U.
Yeah. So remember the vocab grammar and connected this vocabulary. How do you say it?
Anata wa gakusei desu.
Yeah. One more time.
Anata wa gakusei desu.
Yeah. Na ta ga ku sei. Grammatical features. Wa desu. Gakusei Chinese character. Gakusei. Anata. Anata wa gakusei desu.
Anata wa
Anata.
gakusei desu.
Anata wa gakusei desu. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
One more time. Your student, you,
Anata.
student,
Gakusei.
okay.
Anata wa gakusei desu.
Wa, you need to be low voice. Anata wa.
Anata wa
Anata wa gakusei desu.
Anata wa gakusei desu.
Great. Okay. Can you read the sentence?
She, he is a friend.
Okay. She in Japanese,
Kanojo.
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 Kanojo. Kanojo.
He in Japanese,
Kale.
kare.
Kale.
Kare.
Kale.
How about friend in Japanese?
Tomodachi.
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 Yeah. Okay, she is a friend.
Kanojo wa 友達です。
彼女は友達です。
彼女は友達です。
How about the he is a friend? How do you say?
彼は友達です。
Yeah. 彼は友達です。
彼は友達です。
Great. 彼女friend 友達 Chinese character 彼彼は友達です。
友達です。
彼女は
友達です。
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
One more time. She, he is a friend. She in Japanese.
彼女。
He in Japanese.
彼。
Friend in Japanese.
友達。
Okay, she's a friend. How do you say?
彼女。友達です。彼女。
は
I forgot. I'm sorry. 彼女は友達です。
友達です。
友達です。
Yeah. Okay, how about the he is a friend?
彼は友達です。
Okay, that's it. Okay, today's lesson is over. So, see you next time.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Bye bye.